when they disrespect me, they will just giving me motivation. I'm not like everyone else. When someone disrespect me and I allow them, like, and allow their allow them to change me, no. When someone disrespect me, it's motivation for me, and I will have more fire in my head. I have to do it like so. One disrespect, two disrespect, more disrespect. I need, I think, more people to disrespect me because I have to do it. They are the reason I just don't want to quit. The more motivation I get, I know God is giving me more motivation because God wants me to win. I know, and more hate, more disrespect from relatives, everyone. I just wanna like win one day. I have to win for myself. Disrespect give me more motivation.